Hey guys, just got home and it's still freezing in New York, so I'm wearing my vest and hat. I'm sure my cheeks are probably still red from being outside, but it's been a long day and I'm gonna get a quick prep dinner on the table with some things that I already have cooked, and I've shown you them before. And a lot of times, I think we talked about this before, but a lot of times when I go grocery shopping, I'll cut and peel and prep and wash all my vegetables so that they're ready to go into any meal. So what I'm doing now is a perfect example of that. It's been a long day, and when I have all this stuff ready, I just can get a homemade meal on the table in less time, less stress with these simple things. So check it out. So I got some prepped pasta, prepped breaded chicken breast, some veggies that I already had prepped in the fridge, washed, prepped, ready to go into any dish. And then just some spinach that when I bought it, it was already washed and ready to go. And some of my pasta water ice cubes we're gonna use. So this calls for some pasta primavera. Okay, so with my vegetables, I'm gonna start cooking the peppers, go to the carrots, then I'm gonna go to the broccoli and the zucchini. And that's like the order in which I'm gonna cook them, because that's basically the time of what cooks fastest. So, a little bit of chicken broth, a little bit of butter. Let's throw in the peppers and get those cooking down, and off we go. Now come the carrots, broccoli. Okay, last of the staggered vegetables is my zucchini. Now, if you guys need a little bit more moisture, I have my melted pasta ice cubes here, which I'm gonna use to rehydrate the pasta, but you can also use it if the vegetables need some moisture. So spinach I add last because it wilts very quickly. And then we're gonna add this to the pasta. Beautiful, healthy, no time at all. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm gonna pop the chicken in for about 10 minutes, 350 degrees. We have our pasta. A little bit of butter. What I'm gonna do is add in my pasta, and we are going to rehydrate it with some of my pasta water. Sorry, some of the pasta fell in there when I was filming this one-handed. So we're gonna rehydrate this just for a few minutes, and then we're gonna toss our vegetables in. And then pasta primavera. Okay, so this pasta's been rehydrating. I'm gonna add in our beautifully cooked vegetables. Now, if you want a little more like saucy, just add in some more of that pasta water. So with my gluten-free pasta, I like to be a little bit delicate. So now I'm gonna sprinkle some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, and this step is done. Dinner is served. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful, no time at all. Prep ahead. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know how you guys get your prep on. Like, I know that's like, but let me know. I want to know. We've built this beautiful community and I love sharing this stuff with you guys. I mean, the reason I love doing this is to share these different tips and tricks and hacks to getting homemade food on the table for yourself or your friends or your family in no time with less stress. And I also want to know how you guys are using this stuff and what you guys are doing at home. I always love hearing from you, so let me know. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.